In this part of the information evening, I'm going to talk about advice and support, including caring for students during Year 11. On return to Coldrew School post-lockdown, we have prioritised student wellbeing. This has been supported by the Year 11 tutor programme. We started off by looking at Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of need and discussed with students how their needs are being met in order for them to become self-actualized learners. Next, students were asked to complete a wellness plan. It was a reflection activity for them to understand their own well-being and to open up conversation with their form tutor. Students have also looked at resilience and how they can develop academic resilience and how to fall forward from any hurdles. In the time your child has been at Coldrew School, we hope that they have at least one trusted adult, whether it's myself as head of Year 11 or Miss Norden, the assistant head teacher, or one of our fantastic form tutors. It may also be one of our pastoral support workers such as Mrs. Taylor, Mrs. Graham, or our attendance officer, Mrs. Richardson. The staff are here to listen and to support students as well as, say, parents and carers. Tips for parents and carers include encouraging your child to talk if they have a problem. Ask them to be specific with any problem that they are facing and reassure them that it's solvable. Explain to your child that a degree of anxiety, stress, or nervousness is perfectly normal and it's actually necessary for successfully tackling exams, as with any other, say, hobby or interest they may have if they're involved in a competition. Nerves are natural. Ensure that they're eating and drinking well and getting a good night's sleep. If you're concerned that your child is too overwhelmed, do contact your doctor, GP, and let Coldrew School know. Lastly, useful websites. Kooth is one that we're increasingly recommending at school and families and say students are using. It's a free online counselling and emotional well-being platform for young people, and it's accessible through mobile phones as an app, iPads or Androids, and through a desktop also. Mind is an organisation with lots of information on promoting positive mental health. Childline, which exists, say, as providing a voice for children, but also does provide excellent advice for exam preparation too. The Samaritans, also a great resource for how to cope with exam stress, whether the website is used itself or it does have an on-the-phone service. Similar to Young Minds, which provides revision and exam tips. The NHS as well provides advice on dealing with exam stress and anxiety. If you do have any other questions, do get in touch with myself or your child's form tutor. Thank you for listening.